It's a fucking message for all you fucking bum-ass baby mothers out there for 2026. Stop keeping the fucking kids away from real fathers. And then y'all want to complain, oh, he ain't shit, he ain't doing nothing, bitch, because you keeping them away from the real father. Fuck is you talking about, bitch? Fuck you mean? All you bum-ass baby mothers that don't do shit and then complain at the end. Hop on the next dick and complain. Shut the fuck up. You bitches don't be doing shit. You bitches don't do nothing but keep the kids away from the real fathers. That's all you doing. Want control and want to control the fucking narrative. You dusty horse. Fuck out of here, bitch. Fuck out of here. All you baby mothers out there, it's time to ship up or fucking shape out. Because all you bitches want is money anyway. That's all y'all want. Just say that. All I want is money. The fuck, you don't give a fuck if the father in the life or not. You just want money, bitch. That's all you want, ho. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck you mean, bitch? So this is a message.